Okay. Hello, everybody. Samuel here, and okay, I'm just gonna move this camera here. And today we're doing typing test again. Mm, let's go to course. Okay, typing courses. I like my mouse click over there. Okay, there's no. It doesn't. And no, I'm not gonna start it. Listen three. Lesson three. Okay. Okay. I don't want this. Oh, I did not really expect that. That okay. Welcome to lesson three. Okay, just okay. I mean, I mean, okay. Why that ad again? That ad is annoying. Okay, touch typing simulator. Okay, now it's time to start moving your fingers. Okay, remember, move only one finger and keep the rest of the home keys. Try not to peek. Put your fingers on the home keys. Oh, press please. D R. Um. I. Oh. Okay. This. Oh. Uh. Uh. This is harder than I expected. Okay. This is literally what I'm doing right now. I mean. Uh. Um. Um. Okay. This is hard, bro. Okay. At least I got 30. Oh. Oh. Um. I'm getting the hang of this. The ring fingers and the ring fingers are and the pinky fingers are hard. The smaller the finger is, the harder it is, bro. I'm now literally looking, and I already got three wrong. Eh, 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 eh. Mm, uh, uh, um. Okay, this is literally a finger exercise. Okay, the smaller the finger is, literally the harder it gets. 95 hits and 3 misses. 96%. 96%. Next page. Okay, we done touch typing simulator. And then next is try typing simple words because this is too short. That is literally too short. Okay, try typing simple words. Space. Space. Okay. Off. Off. Okay. Space. Me. space. Oh, H I space D uh O space. I mean, I'm doing literally two lessons in lesson. I'm doing two lessons in lesson one. Just that's okay. I called those hyper lessons. Oh, space. Yeah, space. Space. Eh, N E space N space O R space space A E space H E R R. Okay. Okay. This. I wish I had a hand cam roll. A L L. Okay, that's good. I love the double letter in a row one space. Okay, my ring finger is basically gonna get. Oh, space. Oh, this okay. Three misses again. I always get 96% three misses and yep. Um. Okay. What's that sound? O- Okay. Practice for initial test. 2 minutes. Julie Stokes soulful seafood. Seafood is staple. Tells Julie. Uh, okay. This is hard to complete the test. Ha. The okay. Test. Copy the text shown in okay in in the upper part of the screen. Okay. Screen. Be sure to follow the orange or okay orange 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 highlight that shows your position 13 words per minute.
Okay, congratulations. You got it. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job.
Okay. Okay, so mm, yeah. So 6 and 7 will be uh tomorrow or next week or so. Cause I mean it takes 6 minutes. And now I'm done with lesson 1 in 6 to 7 because 2 minutes in a row. That's gonna be short. That's literally gonna be a 2 minute video if it's just one. So I have to do 3. So it's it, guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. See you tomorrow. It's as you can see, it's 10:40 p.m. Uh, uh, I see you tomorrow in the next lesson. Bye. Mm.